How to nest and how to unnest clips inside Premiere Pro. We have these two videos on the timeline. To nest them, select both of those clips using this tool, selection tool, and after they are selected, right click on any of those, and here we have nest. This nest will introduce those two separate clips into one unit. It is similar to having two files in a folder, so click on that nest. Okay, and now the color changed and it is one single unit, not two files. Now how to unnest it, because if you right click there is nest, but there is no unnest. Okay, so just as you enter into a folder, you can double click on this and another tab will appear up here. So we are not here where the nested sequence is visible, but we are there where we have the two files, this one and that one. Well, you can select both of those. You can drag and drop them onto the first one, and you can even drop it on top of that one. You can drop it above it or directly onto it. And if I dropped it onto it, notice the other one is not below anymore. And we can see what's there in the nested sequence. The clips are there, but we don't need it. We can close it. Another way to unnest it, let's just nest it once again, is to right click on the nested sequence. Come here to multi-camera. First enable it. Right click again, multi-camera, and flatten. And after clicking on flatten, instead of this green, we will have the two purple clips. So click on flatten, and voila, one clip and another clip. So that's how to nest and unnest clips inside Premiere Pro.